Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the home of the 5-minute video. I love to give you the information you need to make accurate and quick educational decisions on the topics that I bring up. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I'm available for consultations and expert affordable representation. Today I want to talk to you about different ways to solve your IRS tax debt. There are many ways to go ahead and solve your IRS tax debt, so I want to at least let you know what they are. Once you file the tax return, you go ahead and create, usually within 6 weeks, a tax assessment with Internal Revenue Service. At that point in time, they will send you out your initial letter if you owe tax debt. 6 weeks after that, they send you a 501 letter. 6 weeks after that, they send you a CP 503 letter. 6 weeks after that, they send you a 504 letter. And at that point in time, everyone has a knee-jerk reaction because it says, we're going to go ahead and we have the right to levy your bank account wages and file a federal tax lien. That's when everyone gets all nervous and they usually call me to solve the problem. However, you can still wait another 6 weeks until you get a 1058 letter. At that point in time, you have to call IRS because 30 days after that letter, they are going to go ahead and usually send out a bank levy or a wage garnishment levy. So how do you go ahead and solve your IRS tax debt? IRS has a very systematic process that they use, and they want a current financial statement on you. IRS uses Form 433F at the service center where most of the cases are. That financial statement will go to IRS documented. They're going to want pay stubs, copy of your expenses. They're going to want bank statements to verify that information that you have. So the assembly of that 433A2 IRS, along with the documentation, is going to govern how IRS works your case. IRS is going to resolve your case one of two main ways. They're going to put you into a currently non-collectible because looking at the financial statement, you really can't afford to pay anything, or a payment agreement. Now, other people can file an offer in compromise to settle their tax debt. IRS accepted last year, I think, around 18,000 offers in compromise. So your financial statement completely drives how IRS is going to work the case. Now, if you don't have a lot of money and you're broke, just call the 1-800 number and have at it. Give IRS your financial statement. But if you owe over $50,000 or $60,000, don't do this by yourself, because here's where the trap is on these cases. IRS has a national standard for expenses on your actual living expenses. They have a national standard for food and clothing, housing and utilities, your car payment, and operational costs. If you go over what IRS allows, and those standards are small, you're going to have a big payment to IRS. So what I would do if you have a sizable amount of money is call a professional and at least have them look at your 433F, if they will. We do this here, and find out if IRS gets this 433F, what they're going to do with it. Don't give your money to anybody unless they look at that financial statement, because to be honest, nobody can help you unless you know what your situation is. So if you call a company and they said, well, send us 5,000, we can do this or that. If they don't have your financial statement, they don't know what the hell they're doing, and you're just getting a bill of goods. So be really careful about that. The other thing that you want to do is make sure all your tax returns are filed. And if you're self-employed, make sure you start making estimate tax payments. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. We're available for a representation if you need us. We can always give you a consultation. If you would, there's a little bell at the bottom of the YouTube. If you'd give me a subscription, that would be great. I try to share everything I know about IRS with you in a short way, 5 minute, get caught up and learning other things. I've been doing this a long time. Whatever I tell you is the gospel according to IRS. So leave me a subscription. You can leave me a comment or a like. Just remember, do your due diligence before hiring anybody. Thank you.